There was an error on calendar yesterday, so we didn't get a chance to talk about it. But Saturday the 20th, was the very first day of spring. That was the first day of spring. So I wanted to make sure that I mentioned that we are in a different season. Remember, there are 4 seasons in the year: winter, spring, summer, fall. There are 4 seasons, and I know them all. So we winter, and then we go into spring and things start to change. And we'll read a story about spring in a little while. All right, let's go ahead and add our date. It is still the month of March, and the date is the 23rd. The 23rd. So it is March 23rd, 2021. Looking at the 23rd, now remember, numbers that start with a 2, those 2-digit numbers that start with a 2 are in the 20s, right? So you've got 21, 22, 23. So we're going to follow the 23 straight up the calendar, and that will tell us our day of the week. And it is Tuesday. It is Terrific Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Now, to find out what yesterday was, here we are on today. We jump backwards into the past. Yesterday already happened. It was Monday. So let's go ahead and move Monday over here. And then to find out tomorrow, here we are on today. Today's Tuesday. We jump into the future because tomorrow hasn't happened yet. It will be Wednesday. We've been talking about present tense and past tense verbs, and that's what we're talking about here too. Yesterday was Monday. That happened in the past. Today is Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Remember that future tense had that will be Wednesday. All right, let's go ahead and add a block to count the days we've been in school. We have 100, we have 3 groups of 10, and then instead of 4 ones, we have 5. So we've been in school for 135 days, 135. So here's 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135. Phew. All right, let's take a look. We're going to do something just a little bit different with our number line or addition problem today. Now, we are starting with 2 yellow frosted donuts. And then we are going to add the orange frosted donuts to it. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So I'm going to add that 4. And then I'm going to put my equal sign because now I'm going to tell how many. All right, tell how many. So 2 plus 4. So we're start on the 2, and we're going to jump 4. So start on the 2, jump 4. Jump 1, jump 2, jump 3, jump 4. And we landed on the 6th. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go ahead and put that into our number bond. So part of it was 2 yellow. The other part was 4 orange. And when we put that all together, the whole thing together, we got 6. So that is our number bond for that addition equation we just wrote. But I want to show you something a little different today. Because with addition, it doesn't matter which group you add first. So I could add the orange group first. I could add the orange donuts first. I could put 4 and then plus 2 equals, and it's going to equal 6 because it doesn't matter which way you count them. If you start counting this way, you get 6. And if you start counting from over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it doesn't change how many there are altogether. It doesn't change the whole. Taking and adding the 2 parts together never changes what's in the whole. So when you are doing addition, you can change those 2 first numbers. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So your number bond is the same. 4 and 2. Doesn't matter which order you add them in. And the whole thing will be 6. Let's take a look at subtraction because you can't do that with subtraction. You can't change the order. You always have to start subtraction with the number that you're starting with. So the number that we're starting with right now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're starting with 6, and that's never going to change. That number that we're starting with, that's what we're always going to be that number. You can't change it and put it over here. The number that you start with in a subtraction sentence comes first. Then the number that you take away comes next. So this time we're going to take away 1, 2. So we're taking away 2. How many do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 left, right? 4. So then you can look right back at your part whole, your number bond. 6 minus 2 equals 4. See those related facts? They are a fact family. Now, you can do this, however, with your subtraction sentence. Some things can change and the numbers stay the same. So with our numbers, we're always going to have that 6, a 2, and a 4. So again, we're starting with 6, but this time let's take away 4 instead of taking away the 2 like we did the last time. Let's take away 4 and see what happens. All right, so we took away 4. So that's the number that we put next. We had 6, we took away 4, and now how many are left? 2. 2 are left, right? 2. So you can look back at that number bond. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 6 minus 2 equals 4. There are so many cool patterns in math. All right, let's review very quickly your digraphs. TH says th, like in this or in at the end of slaw. WH says w, like in whale. CH says ch, like in chipmunk. And SH says sh, like in shell. Now I'm going to include that L blend video again so that we can have some more practice with our L blends. Remember with digraphs like the TH, WH, CH, and SH, it's a whole new sound. But with the blends, you still hear both of the sounds. And you'll see what I mean here when you watch that video.